Hey guys, it's Sunday night and I have the whole gang here. 11 is here tonight. They have moist kibble with a chicken topper. All of them is enjoying their meal. Vanity's here. So is Ginger and Baby and all the rest of them. Someone just started their car and started them. But yeah, this is the whole gang tonight. $11 guys. Oh, actually 12. I didn't count this orange gal back here. See her? The mean gal. 12 are here tonight. And this is Sunday night, guys. If I said Saturday night, forgive me. I meant Sunday night. Someone startled me coming up behind me earlier and I had to watch my back while filming this. So yes, it's Sunday night feeding.